What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody, to watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your messenger call not showing up on screen. So basically, this problem occurs if somebody calls you in messenger and the call doesn't appear on your screen, or basically you don't get any sound, any notification of the call coming. So it's basically like you putting your phone in silent, alright? So if this thing happens to you, then you guys are at the right video, because I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix this problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first step is make sure to check if your messenger is up to date. For that, you can go to your app store and over here search for messenger. If it says open over here instead of update, that means your messenger is up to date. But if it says update over here, you need to update your messenger. Just make sure your messenger is up to date. And even after your messenger is up to date, you still don't receive the call, the next thing you can do is go to your phone setting. So this is the iPhone setting interface. For Android user, you need to follow Android setting. Alright, so come to settings, scroll all the way down. Once you see messenger, click on it. Over here, make sure all this permission is turned on. And after all this permission is turned on, try to open your messenger and try to receive call. You should receive it. If you still don't receive the call, the next step is you want to come to your setting again, go on general, go on iPhone storage. Over here, you want to search for messenger. Once you see messenger, click on messenger, click on offload app, click on offload. Your app will be offloaded. After offloading your app, try to open your messenger. It'll be saying reinstalling, which means your messenger will be reinstalling for some time. So when you offload your app, it's basically like deleting and reinstalling your app, but in a simple way. Alright, so after you offload your messenger app, it's gonna ask you to reinstall it. So make sure to reinstall your messenger. I mean, this process is kind of automatic. You know, when you try to open your messenger, it's gonna say installing, so you need to wait for some time. Alright, don't get confused. Just offload your app, try to open your messenger. Your problem should be solved. If it still doesn't solve your problem, delete your messenger, reinstall it again. That should probably fix your problem. So that's how you guys can fix your messenger call not showing up on screen. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then everybody, have a nice day.